Guys, I don't know who need to hear this, but if I had to restart my real estate journey back 6 years ago, the first skill I would tell myself is to focus on capital money raising. If you know how to raise funds, you can find yourself in deals like this. We're developing a 32 unit. It's a government contract, guys. It's an affordable housing here in Albany, Georgia. How did I find myself in this deal? I didn't find the government contract. I didn't negotiate it. I'm not dealing with the headaches on the day-to-day on the project management. All I did is use my ability to raise private money and then tap into bank funds, right? And tap into the bank funds at 0% interest. And guess what? I leveraged that to get my team and I into these deals. And this 32 units is about to be done. It's affordable housing here for the locals here in Albany. And the deal with the government is, as long as we can keep the rent at a certain cap for the next 15 years, they absolutely guarantee the rent. But anyway, who cares? That's not really like, it's the thing I want to tell you guys is, how can you get into the real estate development game, especially if you're bored with real estate wholesaling, where like you were trapped into this 9-to-5 rat race, and if you're tired of the fix and flips because the margins are so small and you want to get into the ground up development, is possible. And the secret is what? Credit. LLCs, you can fund them with 0% interest, secure the land, and then the rest they will fund you for the construction, guys. That's how we found ourselves here. The people, the organization, the MP organization that had the government contract, right? They needed people to help them raise the funds, and that's exactly what we did and got ourselves into this project that you see behind me that is almost done, and is part of another 19 affordable single-family home project as well. That one will be done by November as well, guys. So trust me, if I were to go back and give myself advice from day one when I first started my real estate journey to real estate wholesaling, I would say, listen to me, master the art of raising capital. Deals will find you, opportunities will find you if you know how to raise funds. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Until then, leave a comment below. Boom, boom, boom.